Hello again, everybody. Welcome to an eBay box break. This is for the 2012-2013 Panini Limited box break number 10. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Shown on the box is NE 191051582. Here we go. Best of luck, everybody. Start off with the base card for the Canadians of Louis LeBlanc. 27 out of 299. And we have a Phenoms rookie short print 45 out of 49 of Michael Stone for the Coyotes. And we have a limited rookie redemption card. This card goes to the Blackhawks. And we have a limited travels card of James Neal. This is going to be randomized between Dallas and Pittsburgh. 154 to 199. We have a Jumbo Authentic Material card for the Blues of David Perron. 42 out of 49. And we have a Back to the Future card of Brendan Smith and Nicholas Lidstrom. Nice hit for the Red Wings, 19 out of 199. And you have a limited captain's card for the Hurricanes of Eric Stahl, 177 out of 199. So let me just get the random set up. Between Dallas and Pittsburgh. And randomize the list 3 times. So here we go. 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to Pittsburgh. Congrats to Pittsburgh. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.